Instagram recently made a huge change on the Instagram app having to do with video. They started moving away from photo sharing, which Instagram was for a long time, and now their main focus is video and to compete with TikTok and with YouTube. So they've now improved how long videos could be on the Instagram app just natively. So what they've done now, before, Instagram videos on the Instagram feed could only be up to 60 seconds long. Now they could be up to 60 minutes long. Before, they had something called IGTV, Instagram TV. They've removed that now from the app entirely. That was for videos that were longer than 1 minute. Let me show you how to upload longer videos now to Instagram. It's really simple. So open up your Instagram app and press the plus sign right here, and you'll no longer see IGTV. IGTV used to be one of these options. There used to be an icon for it. It's not there anymore. So you could do a post. Reel is another place where you could post a video, but as I'm recording this, that also has a 60-second limit. Story always had a limit under 30 seconds. So in this case, I'm gonna press post. Let me show you what options you have. I'm gonna choose a video that's 1 minute and 48 seconds. So I couldn't share this on Instagram Reel because of the 60-second limit. And before, I couldn't even put this on an Instagram post, but now I can. Let me go ahead and press next. You could go ahead and add a filter, press next. And here, I could just go ahead and add a caption. And then I could go ahead and press share here. And it's gonna appear right over here. Let me go ahead and refresh this page here. And the video showed up right over here. And it's under my feed. And if I click on it, you could basically see that this video is over a minute long. And again, it could be up to 60 minutes long. And the preview is still gonna be 60 seconds. So to watch the whole video, people just have to tap on the video and it will take them full screen. Not to IGTV though, this is just still inside of the Instagram app. And then I could go back here and the Reel videos still show up on this tab. So anything that you posted to Instagram Reels shows up here. Anything you posted to what's called Instagram Video now shows up over here. It has a play icon. The Reels have a Reel icon. So that's kind of the difference between the two different videos, and obviously the length of the video as well. Now, if you want to learn more about how Instagram Reels works, because with Reels, you could actually reach people that are not following you. It's a much better potential of going viral on Instagram with Instagram Reels. So I'll put that video right next to me here, or you could click on the link below to watch that next. Learn Instagram Reel and use these type of videos inside of the Instagram video platform. That is the newest update from Instagram, and I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.